This planet is 900 times bigger than Earth. And no, that's not a typo. If you were standing on it, gravity would crush you instantly. Time might pass differently, and sky above you wouldn't even look real. This planet should not exist, yet it does. For decades, astronomers believed there was a limit to how big a planet could be, a limit to how much mass it could hold before collapsing into a star. That limit was supposed to be far smaller than what we are about to talk now. But then astronomers discovered something that broke the rules. A planet so massive that it blurred the line between planets, brown dwarfs, and failed star. Its name is ROXs 42BB, and it forced scientists to ask a terrifying question. What if we don't actually understand how planets form? ROXs 42BB is located about 450 light years away, in a young star-forming region of space. And this planet is not just big, it's absurd. It's around 9 times the mass of Jupiter, up to 900 times the volume of Earth. Surface temperatures are hotter than molten lava, likely surrounded by thick clouds of metal vapor. This isn't a world you land on. This is a world that ends you. What makes ROXs 42BB even stranger is how young it is. It formed incredibly fast, too fast. According to more classic models, a planet like this should never have had enough time to exist. Yet, here it is. There are 2 main ways planets are supposed to form. First is core accretion, slow and predictable. And second one is gravitational collapse. It is chaotic, violent, and star-like. ROXs 42BB doesn't fit either one. It's too massive for core accretion and too small and unstable to be a star. So what is it? Some scientists believe it formed through a failed star collapse. Others think it was ejected from another star system. And a few think it may represent an entirely new category of object. Something in between. Something we don't have a name for yet. ROXs 42BB is not alone. In fact, it's just one example of a much bigger problem, because the universe is full of planets that shouldn't exist. Let me show you a few more. Imagine a planet where the ground is made of diamonds, the pressure turns carbon into crystals, and the entire world glows. This planet is believed to be 55 Cancri. It orbits its star so closely that 1 year is only 18 hours, and temperatures exceed 2000 degrees Celsius. Oceans, if they exist, are made of molten rock. This isn't science fiction, this is real data, and it proves something unsettling. Planets don't care what we think is normal. Next up, hot Jupiters. These are gas giants larger than Jupiter, orbiting closer than Mercury is to the Sun. According to old models, gas giants should only form far away from stars. Yet, here they are. So, how did they get there? Did they migrate inward? Were they thrown by gravitational chaos? Or did planetary systems form far more violently than we assumed? Some simulations suggest early solar systems were nightmares. Planets colliding, worlds being ejected into interstellar space, orbits collapsing. Our solar system might actually be the exception. Now this one is truly disturbing. These are planets that don't orbit any star at all. They drift through space in total darkness. These are called rogue planets, and there may be billions of them in our galaxy alone. Cold, dark, invisible. Some scientists believe rogue planets could even host life, heated internally by radioactive decay, which means life might exist without sunlight. So where does that leave us? For a long time we thought Earth was the template, the standard, but Earth might be the weird one. Our stable orbit, our calm star, our lack of planetary chaos. It's possible that most planetary systems are unstable, violent, and short-lived. And if that's true, then intelligent life might be rare. Not because life is hard, but because stability is. Here's the thought that keeps astronomers awake at night. What if planets like ROXs 42b are not anomalies, but warnings? What if planetary systems naturally drift toward chaos? And what if our solar system is only temporarily stable? Because gravity never sleeps, and eventually everything moves. ROXs 42b shouldn't exist. The diamond planet shouldn't exist. Rogue planets shouldn't exist, but they do. And every new discovery pushes us further. So maybe the real question isn't why do these planets exist, but rather how long until we discover something that completely rewrites reality. Because the universe has a habit of doing exactly that.